All right, before you go, check this out. It is National Weatherperson's Day. I feel like we should have a drum roll or something, which means we have an excuse to celebrate our very own meteorologist, Kit Thomas.
Yeah, Kit joined us last year from Colorado and has been such a great addition to our team here at ABC 24. Kit, we are loving you on our team here at Nightside.
Well, thank you
So
very
what's the
much.
biggest difference I can probably guess between forecasting the weather in Colorado versus in Memphis?
I miss snow. December was a very sad month for me. I miss the snow. I miss the snow. You know, we had 7.5 inches though in January.
Yeah, you were living it up then.
Oh,
I
it was
remember.
gorgeous.
That's like
Not
a light
gonna happen
day for
again.
you.
Oh yeah, that was a Tuesday. All right, moving along. Let's take a look at what we've got in store in the next couple of days. It is not going to be 7.5 inches of snow, but we do have some very warm temperatures. Record highs possible there on Thursday, and then Saturday will be within spitting distance of the record. The record is 77. I'm not sure if it'll get quite that warm, but we'll see. We do have a cold front that comes in overnight into Sunday, and that's going to dramatically reset us back into winter. No snow, unfortunately for me, but I know Pepper is celebrating.
Wait, did I say Colorado wrong? Because you said Colorado?
Colorado.
Colorado. I never got a definitive answer of what
That's
way
how
it
you
was
pronounce
supposed to be.
it.
One more
Trust me.
time?
I grew up there, Colorado.
Well, that's our news at 10. Jimmy Kimmel Live is next.
Good night.